What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the Apple ID sign out not available due to restrictions error you are getting on your iOS device. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. The Apple ID sign out not available due to restrictions error usually occurs when setting up a passcode for your device's screen time settings. In order to remove this restriction, you need to remove the screen time passcode or allow Apple ID settings in your screen time settings. Open up your settings application and navigate to screen time. Scroll down until you see the Change Screen Time Passcode option. Proceed to disable the screen time passcode for content restrictions and other screen time features. Once the passcode has been removed, close the Settings app. Make sure it's not running in the background. Wait for 2 to 3 seconds and then reopen the Settings app. Head to your Apple ID section and scroll down until you see the option to sign out of your Apple ID account without any restrictions. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.